Hello friends, welcome to my channel Craftia by Handmade. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to make finger ring with pendants. For that, we will need following materials: a pliers, a cutter, 2 jewelry pendants, ring bells, small charms, silver chain and jump rings. And we will need a strong adhesive too. So let's start. At first, take the pendant, add adhesive and fix the finger base with it. Hold it for 2 minutes. Make both finger rings this way. We will add a charm chain here. So let's make it. Take a small charm, take a jump ring, attach it with it, take another small charm and fix it this way. We will need 3-inch long chain, so make it similarly. Fix both end part using a jump ring. We'll fix another part here. We will make another charm chain here. It will be more long than previous one. It is approx 5-inch long. Fix it similarly. We will attach a third layer with a chain. Cut it according to size. The fourth layer here. Cut it also. Attach all similarly. So the final look is here. You can easily try it with traditional as well as Indo-Western outfits. If you like my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you viewers. Be positive, be beautiful.